You thought your PC was private? Think again. Microsoft is silently collecting data from your Windows machine, and you didn't even agree to it. This is not a theory. I'll show you the proof, and then I'll show you how to stop it. This is Windows Exposed. When you installed Windows 10 or 11, you probably clicked Next 100 times to get things started. But hidden in those settings were silent permissions that allow Microsoft to track your activity, monitor app usage, and even log your keystrokes in some cases. Yes, really. Let's dig into it. Head over to Settings, Privacy and Security, Diagnostics and Feedback. See that option called Send Optional Diagnostic Data? If it's enabled, your PC is basically reporting your every move. Microsoft uses this to improve user experience, but they don't always tell you what exactly is being collected. And there's more. Go to Settings, Activity History. Is Store My Activity History on this device turned on? If yes, it's saving everything you do across apps, documents, and even browser history. Think about it. You write private notes, log into websites, maybe even manage your business from your PC. What if I told you none of that is truly private? Even if you're not doing anything bad, your data is money. And big tech knows that. Let me show you how to protect yourself right now. Do this. Step 1, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Diagnostics and Feedback. Turn off Send Optional Diagnostic Data. Turn off Tailored Experiences. Turn off Send Inking and Typing Data. Step 2, go to Activity History. Uncheck Store My Activity History. Click Clear Activity History. Step 3, disable background apps. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Click the 3 dots on any app, Advanced Options, turn off background permissions. Want to know the creepiest part? Go to this hidden folder. See, Program Data, Microsoft, Diagnosis. Inside, you'll find files with strange names that store logs of system activity. You can delete them, but they'll come back if you don't change the settings we just did. I turned all of this off on my personal PC weeks ago. Result, my system runs faster, I get less weird ad targeting, I feel safer using my machine. It takes just 3 minutes to stop the spying, and trust me, it's worth it. If this shocked you even a little bit, imagine how many people still have no idea. Help them out, share this video. And if you want more truth bombs like this one, subscribe to Fix My PC Now, because I'm not done exposing what's hiding inside your system. Your PC should serve you, not spy on you. Now you know the truth. This was Windows Exposed. See you in the next one.